Hi there, Michael Crawford here, and I'm just going to do a quick review today on this Peak Design Slidelite. Yeah, so this is the model that's designed for mirrorless cameras. Apparently it comes in a nice package. Of course I've torn it all apart now, but that's the box it comes in. Comes with 2 extra clips and a bag. It also comes with a little Arca Swiss plate which you can attach at the bottom, so you can put one of these straps to the side. With the Arca Swiss plate you can set it up like this so that you hang your camera long ways. If you can see that, so you can hang your camera like that. The Arca Swiss plate would go here where my Arca Swiss plate is, and it's got one of these. You can attach that there. Build quality is really first class, I would say. It's made of like seatbelt material here. So, and it's got it's you know, it's probably about, ooh, I'll measure it for you. Okay, so it's a 30mm wide strap. It's got good fastenings on it that make it adjustable, so you can see you can adjust the length any which way. You can make it go right down there, make it shorter naturally. Maybe a little bit shorter for me. So yeah, you got 2 adjustments there for your straps. It's got this really good feature of being detachable from the camera. So if you're like me and you actually like to sometimes, well, especially when I'm working, say if I'm working, I would like to carry just the camera. I usually carry it, you know, my camera's got this extra grip on it. I've put this Arca Swiss grip sort of handle on it. I'm not sure exactly what they call it, but it's an Arca Swiss plate. It's got a tripod socket, and it makes the camera just fit in the hand a whole lot better, especially with this extra added grip. So, you know, I've got a good secure grip there. But, you know, if I'm walking around the streets and I'm out with the family or something, then yeah, I'll probably want a camera strap. I can just throw it around my neck, and, you know, I can go out, go do some street photography, whatever, snap, 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 and it's nice and comfy. So this strap, it is quite heavy duty. I would say it's much more heavy duty than the camera strap that comes with the camera. It's very well made, like I said. It's got this very good design on the clips here that allow it to detach. So what you do is you push in the little button and you slide it out. Do that on both sides, and it's as simple as that, and you're detached from your strap. Now you are left with the clips, and unfortunately these on the Fujifilm camera anyway, these little, it's a special type of cord that is meant to be super strong and indestructible and all that sort of stuff. It's got a lifetime warranty actually on all the camera strap and the parts, so I'm sure they're pretty resilient to wear and everything. But anyway, all it does is it goes through, you know, the existing attachment point on your camera. On the Fujifilm I had to put these triangles on, which I didn't have on before. That's actually for the Fujifilm strap, because it wouldn't fit through this tiny little hole here, which was unfortunate. But got it on. So all you're left with is these little straps, these little clips, sorry, hanging on your camera. They do rattle around a bit, as you can hear probably, which is unfortunate, because if you were a video maker then you probably wouldn't like that. You don't want noises coming into your film. But for me as a photographer, it doesn't really worry me. And yeah, so I can still detach the strap and use the camera like that. Also, if I was going to use it on a tripod, if I was doing some tripod work outside, then yes, I would take the strap off probably, mount the camera on the tripod, and you don't have, you know, the strap hanging, especially when it's a windy day and you've got a strap hanging. That could actually make the whole tripod setup wobble a touch if you're really paranoid about those sort of things like me and you don't want any shake, or if you're doing long exposure, well, you definitely don't want any movement in your tripod. So the clip design is very clever. I want to point out this. How it works is this little button here. All you do is you push it up the top here of the clip, and it slides in. You push down hard, and it clicks into place. And it can't really come out. It can't continue further down, so there's no chance that it will pull through and go out. So very clever design. I do like it. I like clever designs like this. Simple and smart, and it works. Okay, so there it is. It's attached. It's nice and comfortable. It's fully adjustable. It's all very good quality. It's got a lifetime warranty, so you know you don't have to worry about it ever. Really, you know, hang on to your receipt, I guess, and if it breaks, send it in. Well, of course, you don't want a camera strap to break anyway, because there goes your camera, usually hitting the deck, and that's the end of that. So, yeah, really happy with this. I would highly recommend it. It's not super expensive. It's not cheap. It's like a mid-range sort of product. You know, I think in Australia it's around $65 I paid, which is, you know, I guess a fair bit for a bit of strap, but it is good quality, lifetime warranty. It's going to last me a lifetime apparently, and I like it. Most importantly, it's very functional and it will do you well. So yeah, they've thought of everything. They're very clever. I do like it. I would recommend it. And yeah, if you're in the market for a camera strap, definitely consider the Peak Design one. I do believe there's a much bigger model available, or a more heavy duty model, I guess, for DSLRs. It's probably a thicker strap. I don't think that I would use a strap bigger than this even for my DSLRs. I think this sort of size is plenty big for DSLRs and plenty big for mirrorless. Definitely. Anyway, have a good day, and I'll catch you later. Thanks, bye.